Guys, today we're going to be working on Quizlet. I'm going to make a tutorial for you guys so that all of you who missed when we went over Quizlet can do it on your own. So you're going to search Quizlet.com and you're going to go to that website. Then in the top right hand corner you'll see sign up. If you already have a Quizlet account connected to your school email, then you can use that one to create your sets, or you can sign up here. And I'm just going to show you how to sign up, just in case. So you're going to have to put your birthday, so I'll put mine as an example, and then you will put your username. I would recommend that you do the first part of your school email. So that would be the 3 initials and then the numbers that come with it. I would do that as your username if you don't have a Quizlet already. So mine is TRD7694. So it would look something like that. But because I already have one and I'm signing up to show you guys how to sign up, I'm just going to pick a different one. So I'll make a different one. Let's do that. No. There we go. And then you'll put your username. So you guys are going to put your school email. But since I already have one connected to mine, I'm just going to pick a random one, one of my random emails, and then put in your password. I would recommend that whatever your password is, it's similar to, you either write it down or make it the same as all the other passwords for all your other social media and stuff. So if you made them all have the same password, do the same with this one. And then you hit sign up. A lot of you it'll give you the option to sign up as a teacher. You don't have to do that. You can just hit sign up automatically and go straight to creating a set. Now you're going to get to this page where it's going to ask you to sign up for Quizlet Plus. You do not have to do that. You can come here where it says in blue text, or continue to free Quizlet. You'll click that because we're not paying any money for anything. And then once you get to the same page that I'm on, it'll say latest activity, and underneath it, it says create a study set. And notice on the left hand side down here where all these categories are, you'll see your study sets. Whenever you log in and it takes you to this page, it'll show you can go to your study sets once you've created one, and you can look at what you have. But for right now, I'm going to show you how to create one. So you hit create a study set, and then you hit it again. And so the requirements for a study set is you have to have a title, you have to have 2 terms and a definition that corresponds to them, and you also have to change the language. So let me put in a random, let's say we're talking about bees. So let me search the definition let's get an actual definition for honey, since that's our example. So I'm just going to, since I'm giving you an example, I'm going to copy and paste. And so I'm going to take my definition, put it here, paste, and then I'll do honey. So then you need to change your language. So when it asks you to change your language, you hit that and you put English, and then this one says choose language as well, and then you put English. And so you have to have at least 2 terms. So I don't really know another one, so I'm just going to write something random into this one. And then now I can create a set because I have a title, I have 2 terms and a definition that goes with them, and the language is changed to English. Now keep in mind you can also add a photo to go along with it. You can add audio, like a voice recording of you saying the word or saying the definition. So for here, you can say the word, you can say the definition. So that's a good component of Quizlet. Also, it should only give you 5 terms to start off with in a study set. If you need more than 5 terms, which you will because you have to have at least 20 vocabulary words, you add a card. So you'll scroll down to the bottom and hit add card, and there you go. You have another term that you can add in. And so you just do that until you get to whatever number you want. And once you have your title and your 2 terms and you've changed the language to English, you can come up here to the right-hand side where it has a blue box with create. Hit create. It saves your set. And then in a few seconds, a box will pop up with the link. There it is. So you're going to copy and paste this link into your Shutterfly, and you will also link it to the Quizlet logo under lower order thinking skills. So on your Weebly page that is specifically for lower order thinking skills, that's where your Quizlet logo is going to go. And once you put the picture of the Quizlet logo up there, you will link this to that picture. But go ahead and put it in Shutterfly first. That way you can go to it anytime you want. You can click edit and you can copy that link again and put it in your Weebly later. So you'll hit copy link, or you can highlight it and copy. And you can even share it to Facebook. So if you want to share it to your Facebook page, you can do that. So I'm just going to hit X because this is not a real study set for me. But once yours comes up like this, you need to copy it and put it on Shutterfly first. And put Quizlet beside it. And your name. So if I make my study set and it gives me my link and I copy it and I'm putting it on Shutterfly, I'm going to put the link in the address part of it. And then underneath there's a title box, and I'm going to put Taylor's study set, or, you know, something like that. Taylor's Quizlet. So that's what you do. And then you can X out of that once you're done with that. And notice how whenever you've created a study set, it'll bring you here. And it has flashcard mode, which if you come down, that's what you're on right now, and it says honey. You can click to flip it over, and then you have a definition. Oh, okay. You click onto the card itself, not the arrow, and that gives you the definition. The arrow takes you to the next term. So you flip it, that gives you the definition, you move to the next term. You just studied 2 terms. That's what it'll tell you. So then you have learn, you have write, spell, there's a test up here, there's a matching game, and then there's gravity. I've never used gravity, so I'm not really sure what that's about, but you can look at it and just play around with it and experiment with Quizlet if you're not used to it yet. If you are, that's great. It's a very useful tool. So once again, you need a title for your set, 2 terms, and a definition that corresponds to them, and you need to change the language to English, and then you can hit create a set. It'll give you your link, and you can take your link, copy it, and paste it to Shutterfly under useful sites for your projects, and put, you know, Taylor's Quizlet or whatever your name is, and then Quizlet, so that'll be up there so you can use it later for Weebly. And that's really all you have to do. But if you would like to see what it looks like from the home page, I can take you back. You can hit Quizlet up in the left-hand corner. Takes you back to your home page. And then it says your latest activity. A few minutes ago, I created a study set. I will see that here. you can also go to your study sets, which I talked about earlier. Click on it, and that takes you directly to a list of any study sets you've already made. And when you're done, you can log out, and that's it. But whenever you paste your link, remember that you do not have to, every time you update a study set, you don't have to redo the link all over again on Shutterfly and Weebly. The link that it gives you from the start automatically updates every time you add on to your study set. So you don't have to worry about copying the link over and over and over and over and over again and changing it on Shutterfly and Weebly. That one link will update itself anytime you add changes to that study set. And I think that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped.